Now let's take a look at the Okitsu Mandarin, or the Satsuma after the 6-degree weather. You see I covered it with a little blanket on the bottom, that big green blanket over the top. That's a pretty warm blanket of green. It's not too thick, but it's very warm. You see the plant jacket on it with the zipper, so easy to see what's inside when you need to. it, there's some defoliation, but as you can see when I unzip this on the video, the Okitsu did very well with just these lights, these incandescent lights. And that's pretty much the only warmth that was in there. I didn't have a ceiling mat under there, it was just the lights. I had the little pipe insulator around the base, but other than that, you see there's another frost jacket right there. So it was a frost jacket on top of a frost jacket. But kept the heat in. It was noticeably warm when I lifted everything up. So the heat was definitely kept in and around that tree. Let me uncover it. If I can uncover it fast enough, holding it, the phone in one hand, as you can see, it's looking pretty lush under there after 6 degrees. I do think this will be sustainable. If all I have to do is put these lights under there, only thing is you just hoping and praying that we don't lose power when one of these things happen. I mean, of course, those would be two bad things happening on the same day, but it gets cold, we have severe weather like that, that's usually when power is going to turn off. So if power is there, I think it's sustainable to have to grow a satsuma in zone 8A. And the Okitsu was definitely one that is supposed to be kind of a top tier satsuma as far as taste. This thing started growing so slow when I first got it, but it's sped up last year. I cut it down again just to make sure I could protect it again. But I'm gonna let this thing go ahead and grow. It's showing that it's a good variety for me.